Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the project where you want on-screen voice text. This speeds the workflow. Once done, import the video or image clips so timeline lanes exist. Next, tap the plus or add audio to allocate a track for the generated voice. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version so voice features appear. You're preparing the canvas. That's why you import first and assign a track before creating or converting text to speech. You now add the text you want spoken. Using the text tool and typing concise lines, clarity matters because TTS reads verbatim. Once your text is in place, tap text-to-speech or voice to convert it. Capcut offers multiple voices and languages. Then pick voice tone, speed, and any pitch adjustments and preview until it sounds natural. If you need multiple lines, generate separate clips for timing control. This step creates the audio asset that syncs with your visuals. You finish by trimming and aligning the generated voice clip to match cuts and on-screen captions. Use fades to smooth edges. Once synced, adjust volume relative to music and render a short preview. This confirms timing and clarity. Export the final video or extract audio if needed, selecting high-quality settings. If the voice option is missing or fails, update or reinstall Capcut, clear the app cache, and check permissions. That usually resolves feature or playback problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.